Hi, my name is Danny, and this is my React business dashboard that I designed and built using React and Fusion charts. It fetches its data from a Google Sheets API. The dashboard we can see has the different revenue trends for our product, for our particular product that we would sell through multiple online stores. We have the total revenue of our product throughout all our stores, throughout all the online stores for the month selected here. And then right below it we have a chart that shows the different orders, how many orders each online store had of our product. We also have donut charts over here that show us the purchase rate of our product, the abandoned cart rate of our product, and the checkout rate as well. And then we also have different individual boxes here for the individual revenue of each individual online store for our product, and also the total number of views for our product for that month that was selected. And then we can go over here and we can select from the drop down a different month, and then we'll see that all the orders and everything change according to, you see the numbers here will change as well, and everything will change according to views, and all the revenue changes. And that's my React dashboard.